Hello friends, I am Sandeep C Raikar and in this video I am going to explain on the seismic resistant building design using E-type software as a project assignment by Skyfi Labs. First we have to open the saved model, then we have to unlock the model by clicking on this. Then we have to check for seismic load by define load pattern. I have defined the seismic load and the code as IS 1893-2016. Click on this. Modify lateral load. In this we have to select X and Y direction and other properties like zone factor, site type, importance factor and response reduction, which by referring to IS 1893 codal provision. Okay. Then we have to define the response spectrum. For this, define function response spectrum codal provision IS 1893. Modify or show spectrum. In this we have to enter the data by referring to IS 1893 like seismic zone factor, importance factor, soil type and response reduction factor. We have to set the damping ratio to 0.5. Okay. Next, define load cases. Click on response spectrum and modify or showcase. In this we have to enter the scale factor by the formula I into G by 2R. And we have to check for modal damping whether it is 0.05. If not, we have to enter. Okay. In this, there is no need to select building elements to assign the loads. Next step is analysis. For this, analyze, set load cases to run. We have to set dead load and live load to do not run and then click on run now. After the analysis is complete, by the right click we can get the details of that section like translation, rotation and drift. Next we have to check for drift. Display story response plot. In our case, the maximum drift value is 0.02733 at story 23, which is less than 0.004 times story height. Next step is design. For this, design, concrete frame design, view or revise preference. We have to check for codal provision. In our case, it is IS 456-2000. design, concrete frame design. We can get the complete report of the project by going to reports. Double click on the project report. We can get the complete details of the project. Thank you.